Hi everyone, this is Sammy. I don't just cook to impress, I cook to live to eat. Today, I'm going to make Japchae glass noodle. In Korea, New Year's Day, Korean Thanksgiving, there's a big holiday, and when we have a celebrate something, we have a lot of guests visiting our family house. So when you say a lot, it's really a lot, more than 100. So my grandma has to prepare a lot of food. Japchae was part of our feast. So today I'm gonna share how to make japchae with a lot of vegetable. When I say a lot, a lot. Let's get started. Okay, now we have a lot of vegetable here. I got garlic chive, carrot, onion, zucchini, capsicum, red, yellow. Give you a little color on the dish. Eggplant. Normally I don't put eggplant, but I got leftover eggplant. I'm gonna slice in. A little bit of chili, spinach, mushroom. So we got shiitake mushroom, oyster mushroom, and a king oyster mushroom as well. Give you a little texture. Normally, my family, we used to use a lot of pork. I love pork. But today, we're going to give you a little good protein from beef. Any cut of beef, you can use anything. And we have a little special, very authentic Asian things. You don't have to put this one, but I just have a chance to share with you. This is a little Chinese black fungi, in Korea called mogibasat, but it's a little mushroom growing in the dead tree. So it's give you a little interesting texture. And I have this glass noodle. This is very Korean noodle. It's made of sweet potato, very elastic, and then once you cook it, it looks very translucent. So they call it glass noodle in English. So I have around 500 grams here. And eggs. I'm gonna make a little flat egg and then slice it and then mix it all together. Onion. It's a beautiful purple Spanish onion, but you can use brown onion, white onion, anything accessible. Don't cut very thinly. You need a little bit texture when you bite this onion. Now zucchini. Let's cut a little bit professional. Discard this middle part because once you stir fry, it comes out a lot of water from middle part, so we don't need this one. Or you can make a vegetable stock with this. Now capsicum, cut in half and remove all the white part inside. Nice yellow, beautiful color. Beautiful garlic chive. Head off. So make sure I clean this morning, but make sure everything clean here. Nice, beautiful. Eggplant. Nice fat one. And this the dry mushroom, we soak into the water like 10 minutes and it will become alive. It's like a magic. And set aside. Oh, there's lots of stuff here. And oyster mushroom, you just break with your hand. The muscle going this direction. So I told you we cut opposite. Just remove unnecessary fat. Okay, now I'm gonna transfer into the bowl and we're gonna marinate with some soy sauce, a little bit of garlic and a little bit of sugar. Okay, the boiling water, the big pan, make sure you put big pan. And then I have 500 grams of the glass noodle. We're gonna cook about 7 minutes with the boiling water. Some family, they soak this glass noodle into the water overnight, a few hours, but I think ain't nobody get time for this. We are busy, we have a busy life, so I'm gonna just cook straight away. I'm gonna rinse with the cold water. Look at it. Look at it. We're gonna have a real party. The beauty of this glass noodle, it doesn't go wrong. Whether you overcook, as long as you cook right time, it doesn't really go wrong. So it's a good to try. I need a great big bowl. I told you we're gonna have very generous amount of noodle. I'm gonna drain a little bit, put aside here. And then now fun part, we're gonna stir fry everything. Now I just finished cooking all my vegetable and then now noodles here. So my cameraman just asked me, why you have to cook individually? You know, the mix with the noodle, a lot of vegetable, and then I want individual vegetable has their own flavor. If you stir fry all together, it's dominate each other, you know, the flavors get changed. And then once you mix with the vegetable, you can feel, you can taste all the different flavor in your mouth. Instead of using vegetable oil, but today I use olive oil. Normally when I cook at the wok, you know, I'm using very high heat, very quickly you wok fry. But the Korean, in our culture, we don't have a like wok, like very strong fire. So when you're using olive oil, it's healthier and you have a low burning point. Now it's very important part. I just finished cooking my eggs. I'm gonna slice egg. You know what, actually after finish cooking, if it's too much vegetable, you can use your bibimbap. Just get the rice, put over everything into the bowl, and then mix with the rice with gochujang, dash of sesame oil. It gives you another dish created. So now I'm gonna make sauce. I have a 200 ml of light soy sauce. I want to use Korean soy sauce. Chinese light soy sauce is a slightly different flavor. So if you have excess Korean soy sauce, it's more lighter and then less saltier. I'm gonna put brown sugar. The color of the noodle is very gray at the moment, but if you're getting dark, it gives you looks better and it gives you a good appetite. And then I have a little trick for you guys. If you want to have a good color, Chinese dark soy sauce. It's got a little sweetness and a very dark color. So I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons. And then garlic. I'm gonna put around half tablespoon. Mix very well. And then I'll just notice the noodles quite a long. So I'm gonna chop with the scissor, just a little bit. I'm gonna put some sesame oil first, because they all stick together. I'm gonna separate a little bit. Okay. And then I'm gonna give it a good mix. Look at the color. Okay, now I'm gonna add some carrots, capsicum, garlic chive, eggplant, mushroom, capsicum, zucchini, onion, spinach, and I'm gonna add your favorite protein. Ooh, look at it. Look, everything there. Mix. I'm gonna put some sesame seed. And the last kick, I'm gonna add some pepper. Delicious. Noodles got a right amount of saltiness, sugar, and then all the vegetables cooked individually. They have their own flavor. It's just delicious. I'm gonna serving this one on the plate. Now we're talking about very festive. You're sharing all this great, big, generous amount of food. All your neighbors, family, relative, Asian, white people, they will love it. Thanks for watching today. Hey guys, don't forget, subscribe and put the alarms. So when you're uploading new video, you can see my ugly face again. Oh, very interesting recipe. Just remember, we don't just cook to impress. I cook to live to eat. Thanks for watching. Yay!